Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the importance of massage and why 10 massage sessions every 6 months can change your life for the better. Initially, due to our daily activities, some of our muscles are in a state of hypotonicity, while others are in hypertonicity. As a result, these muscles literally fix the myofascial framework and the skeletal framework in specific positions, negatively affecting our postural balance and consequently our posture. This can lead to the development of painful muscle points and the initiation of pathological processes. Correcting these imbalances and strengthening the muscles improves the position of the myofascial and skeletal framework, which in turn positively affects overall posture and the health of the body. During the first 5 or 6 massage sessions, we restore the normal tone of the muscles, allowing the muscular system to adapt to a specific physiological state. Subsequently, with the help of massage techniques, we strengthen the muscles, restore their normal activity, and activate the muscle's shock-absorbing function. The shock-absorbing function of the muscles plays a key role in absorbing impacts and vibrations during movement, thus preventing joint injuries and preserving joint health. Correct movement patterns and proper muscle function help the muscles align the skeletal framework, returning bones and joints to their normal physiological positions, without the need for manual interventions. This stage requires an additional 2-3 massage sessions. As a result, after 8 sessions, we significantly improve the condition of your musculoskeletal system. Subsequent massage sessions are aimed at maintaining the achieved results by teaching the muscles to perform their function in the attained state, thus supporting the proper posture of the skeletal framework. This is a crucial stage in the process of recovery and strengthening of the musculoskeletal system. To maintain the results, 2 or more massage sessions are required. As a result of the above, a 10-day massage course is established. In some cases, depending on initial muscle issues and imbalances, a course of up to 15-20 massage sessions may be necessary. However, in most cases, 10 massage sessions, with intervals of 1-2 days, are sufficient to achieve sustainable results. It is recommended to repeat such 10-day massage courses at least twice a year. Morning exercises also contribute to the consolidation of correct movement patterns and the maintenance of proper posture, as well as help muscles adapt to the new state. Therefore, if you haven't been practicing morning exercises, consider starting, as it complements the process of muscle strengthening and posture maintenance, promoting long-term stability and the health of the musculoskeletal system. If you are interested, I can show you an effective 10-minute morning workout to improve your health. So, a 10-day massage course can significantly change your life, regardless of your initial problems. I am here to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more.